Next, I'm going to show you how do I use all this amazing information. So say for instance, I have a new dealer. She asked on Facebook for some information. So I will see, just let me just find somebody. Okay. She wants some information about Acorn Kids. So I will just go down, and when I signed up with boards, I activated the boards keyboard. And if you look on the bottom, let me just mark it for you. There on the bottom, there, you see it. There is a little dots. It's your keyboard. You click on there and you choose your keyboard. Go on there, and this is how my keyboard will throw out my boards. So I will go to, I'm going to send this person, she asked for information. So I will go and I will send her the information sheet. I will send her the opportunity video link, and I will also send her the product information link. And this is how easy you can use your board keyboard. So if you want to go back, you just go back to your Samsung keyboard or whatever one you use. I also use this, let me just go back, if I want to put an ad on Facebook. So I will go to Facebook again. I'll click on there and I will find my board's keyboard. Click on there. Say I want to put on the flash sale. It will be not on there. Oopsie, it will be down here. I think there you go, flash sale. I will just, oopsie, it's not going to take it. Let me do an ad. Okay, goes there, just click on there and there's your ad, and I will just say post. If you want pictures on there, I just I'm not quite sure yet how do I do the picture side, but I will probably just go on and will share it directly from Facebook. Let me show you again. Okay, I will go to my boards and I will go to my Facebook. I will choose an ad. I will click the share button and I will find, oopsie, my Facebook. I want to send to my news feed. I will go on to there. I will find my boards. There you go. I will put my ad information and I will post my ad. This is how easy. You can also share it to your groups. What I usually do, if I go to my groups, I will again just like this one, go there. I'll delete this and I will go to my boards. I will find my ad and I will post it. This will make your life 10 million times easier. Say my work groups, I will just again clear that up because I'm still using the same picture, and just do it like this. If you want to change your picture, you can just go in, take that one, again share it to Facebook, go to my groups, and I will go to this one. I'll again just take those, I will clear it out, I will add that one and I will post it. And this is how easy you can use your boards. If you have any questions, please let me know. I will talk to you personally as well, showing you the ropes. Hope we can talk soon.